How you doing, sir?
21st and Buckman, Mike, 3
All right, so you didn't have a seatbelt on. I know you probably put it on later, but you didn't have a seatbelt on when you came out onto that road over there.
Drop my phone. I was picking it up.
That's fine. No biggie.
Sorry about that.
Not a problem, man. You got your ID on you, man?
Phoenix and 11th.
Awesome. This car registered to you?
My mom.
Okay. You still live in Palm Coast or?
No, sir. I was actually on an occupancy
10, 1600.
Okay, so you live
in Tallahassee.
In Tallahassee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Phoenix and 11, Kilo Zulu, Echo
Okay,
Bravo,
gotcha.
I rolled back with my family. I just left my graduation this past weekend.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. Why are you so nervous, man?
Jaguar, 1054, Pontiac current.
Oh, no, I'm just scared of police. I haven't been pulled over in Jacksonville the whole time I lived here, so this is...
Yeah, that's fine. Well, I mean, you don't have to be that nervous, my man.
69,
So you got anything in the car or anything like that crazy? Because, I mean, I can tell you that you, just by your mannerisms, you know, you're doing all this, a lot of wild stuff that you weren't even, you know, what I mean by wild, I mean, and here's what I mean, is that you're doing a bunch of movements that make no sense to what I want you to do, which is just find your ID. You know what I'm saying? You keep reaching and moving. So what you looking for, man?
I was looking for the registration.
I don't need your registration. No. So, do you have anything in the car at all?
Yes, I actually have my firearm.
Okay, that's fine. Well, hop on out for me. And,
can I grab the receipt for my firearm?
No, I'll get all that in just a second. I want you reaching. Where's it at?
In my jacket.
In your jacket? Alright, hop on that for me.
And then the receipt is right there.
That's fine. I'll get it in just a second. Turn that way for me.
No problem.
There you go. That way. You got anything else in the car at all? I see, like, weed flakes flaking off of you.
No, sir.
We just got to roll in the blunt?
No, sir.
Okay. Why you smell like the way you smell?
I actually was smoking hemp.
Okay. You smoking hemp?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got anything else in your car at all?
No, sir.
Nothing illegal?
No, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You mind if we search your vehicle?
No, sir.
You don't mind?
I do mind. There's nothing, no reason for you to search my vehicle, sir. I have my legal firearm, and that's about it.
Okay. That's fine. Well, given the fact that you... stay still.
I'm sorry about that.
Given the fact that you had marijuana flakes come off your shirt the way they are, okay, that's a no-no. Because you don't have a marijuana card, do you?
No, sir.
Okay.
But I know that hemp is illegal in the state of Florida, sir.
But that wasn't hemp that you had flaking off of you?
It was, sir.
Okay, well, that's fine. So you have nothing else in the car at all?
No, sir.
Okay, what kind of firearm do you have in your car?
A Glock 26.
Where is it at?
In my jacket, located right there inside of the jacket.
Okay. You have a concealed weapon permit?
No, sir. It's in the jacket, concealed. Well, it's in the jacket, and according to law, doesn't it have to be, I know it has to be put away when it's inside of the vehicle, and it's away inside of my jacket, inside of the vehicle.
So is it in holster?
It's inside of the jacket.
No, so that
the
means...
jacket's away.
Nope. So what it means is that in the state of Florida, it needs to be either in a glove compartment locked away in a holster, or it needs to be in another locked compartment inside of a holster, legally, to be able to possess it legally in a vehicle. Unless you have a concealed weapons permit, then you can carry it any way you want to. Reason being the concealed weapons. Okay. All right. So, by you carrying a firearm in an illegal fashion, you know what I'm saying? That's not good. So, I'll get the paperwork for your firearm. Okay.
Can I grab my phone?
Yeah, you can go ahead and grab it. All right. So, I'm gonna get the paperwork so I can see if your serial number's on there, ring your serial number, and all that kind of stuff. Put you in the back seat of my car. Okay. So you don't skedaddle on me. Sound good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Come on.
Can I walk by myself, please, sir?
No. I'll hold on to you.
Can I grab my ID?
Nope, leave right there. Don't. Yeah, you good, grab it. Alright, so, you get paperwork so I can see if your serial number's on there, ring your serial number, all that kind of stuff. Put you in the back seat of my car, okay? So you don't
Not good? Come on. Can I walk by myself, please, sir? Oh. I got my ID. Yep, be right there. Okay, be right there. HQ 1033! Shit! We need units here now. HQ shots fired.
Please don't let me die. Please don't let me die, sir.
Don't grab that gun.
My hands are up. Please, sir.
Where's the gun at?
I don't have it. My legs are up. My legs are up. Please, I can't breathe.
Where's the gun at?
Rescues en route. Is it going to be the suspect?
I can't breathe. I'm dying, sir. Please help me.
Where's the gun at?
I don't want to die. My legs
608. Is it Channel 18 to JSO or by JSO?
God, please.
By JSO.
I pray to God I don't die.
10-4,
You good?
rescues en route.
You good?
Stop reaching, please.
Sir, please look at me.
Sorry, 762.
Page 732. Send everybody you have. That's not on the call. And I'll advise anybody else.
Stop moving!
10-4, all 1051.
HQ 1602.
Stop moving!
And Buckman.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit.
They shot up
I'm dying.
the back.
I'm dying. Dying.
Vehicle 97. So we try to rope off as much of the scene that we can and get a couple more units here so we can get the suspect detained and get some treatment.
Good for a sec.
1600, 1097.
97, 1600.
We're good. He's shot. We're good.
We're good.
Take the 7. You haven't already
Here.
rolled yet.
Since I was with him,
10-4, there's 1051.
we need somebody get up here and detain this suspect.
1600, 732. Best you can.
Hey, turn over.
Turn over! Turn over, bro! Turn over!
Hey, once we get enough units here, let's move on this guy and get him detained before we do anything else. Here, you're
on lethal, I'm handcuffed.
Alright, go.
Move. I got the car.
6-8, can you advise for the suspect, Channel 18 out?
Looks to be in the side.
Somebody get a trauma kit or something, get a med kit. Hey, you're with him. Turn that off.
Please, I'm that game.
I lost my body cam.
10-7,
I'm
Charlie,
dying.
620.
I'm dying.
Somebody bring me some gloves. Bring me some gloves.
1602. We are now ready to engage on the suspect now. So if you want to try to park this time
You
now,
go with
have to aid been ready to the suspect.
Let's go.
turn your body camera on.
Body cams off.
Where's your car? Nice, sir.
Stay in the house. Hey, turn over.
Turn over! Turn over, bro! Turn over!
Hey, once we get enough units here, let's move on this guy and get him detained before we do anything else.
Here, you're on lethal, I'm handcuffed.
Alright, go. Move. I got the car.
6-8, can you advise for the suspect, Channel 18 out?
Looks to be in the side.
Somebody get a trauma kit or something, get a med kit.